Here's the classic bridge and torch puzzle. For people need to cross a bridge at night. They take 1, 2, 5, and 10 minutes to cross. There is only one torch. Can all 4 reach the other side in just 17 minutes? Before solving it, remember 3 rules. Only 2 people can cross at the same time. The torch must always travel with them. And when 2 people cross together, they move at the speed of the slower person. First, the 1-minute and 2-minute people cross together, carrying the torch toward the destination. Because the slower person takes 2 minutes, this crossing takes 2 minutes. Total time so far, 2 minutes. Now, the 1-minute person returns across the bridge with the torch. This takes 1 more minute. The 2-minute person stays at the destination. Our running total is now 3 minutes. Next, the 5-minute and 10-minute people cross together with the torch toward the destination. They must move at the 10-minute person's speed. This adds 10 minutes, bringing the total to 13 minutes. Now, 2-minute person returns with the torch to the starting side. This takes another 2 minutes. The 5-minute and 10-minute people remain safely at the destination. Total time, 15 minutes. Finally, the 1-minute and 2-minute people cross together once more. This final trip takes 2 minutes. Add that to 15. And the total becomes exactly 17 minutes. All 4 people have now crossed the bridge. So yes, it can be done in 17 minutes. The key is using the 2 fastest people to move the torch efficiently, while the 5-minute and 10-minute people make their long crossing together. Here is the complete solution. 1 and 2 cross. 2 minutes. 1 returns. 1 minute. 5 and 10 cross. 10 minutes. 2 returns. 2 minutes. 1 and 2 cross again. 2 minutes. 2 plus 1 plus 10 plus 2 plus 2 equals 17 minutes.